It was a dark and snowy Thursday, quite like today, when a girl named Scarlet had just gotten out of the shower. She was in her room, ready to film a vlog, when suddenly she heard her door creak open. And a voice sprung from the darkness, and it said, "Hey girls, it's Thursday." Don't unplug me, I don't have the theme music. Change of scenery for the vlogging today. My computer's being dumb and it won't work, which is unfortunate. You know what else is unfortunate? Tomorrow's gonna be the last Buy Awesome Girl video. Okay, so I did that part for Hayley because that was one of my favorite videos. She's really funny in it. And I'd go dance out in the snow. But one, I can't bring this with me. And two, you wouldn't be able to see me because it's dark out. But, Thomas, I really enjoyed your cake video. And I wish you could give us all a slice because I love cake. Jen, your video was great. Wow, that girl who was singing like Luke, she was amazing. Who is that? I might need to hire her for my wedding. Crazy stuff, crazy vocals. I'm in a really weird mood right now. So yeah. Ginger ale, here, have a sip. Yum, sparkly. Spelliarmus. My dad was getting really excited about something that he emailed to me, and since my computer wasn't working, I was like, I haven't seen it. So he's like, oh, come on, it's something to do with Harry Potter. Like, come on, Scarlet, you have to come and see it. Come on, come on, come on. And so I didn't because I was bored. Because I didn't want to go see it. And so then I came in and he was showing my little sister, and it was a Harry Potter musical. Silly father. He thinks I didn't know about it already. Little does he know. I went shopping today. Oh my god, oh my god. I need to show you things. These aren't what I need to show you. I have a bunch of other stuff to show you. First off, the finished scarf. It's wonderfully cozy. Second off, my cousin made me something for Christmas, and she doesn't know about this YouTube channel, but it just happened to be an owl. Isn't it so cute? I love it. Our weapons love. Here's the owl that represents us. Also, I got these for Christmas as a stocking stuffer. Harry Potter silly bands. I don't know if Philo and Thomas, if you had the silly band craze last year, but I'm pretty sure it spread over most of America, North America. So there's the quill, sort of Gryffindor, little Harry, there's his wand, Spelliarmus. There is glasses, Hedwig, and yes, that's it. So those are beautiful. But that's not why today is awesome. I went to the mall today, and there I purchased these. Rolling Stones, Exile on Main Street, Rack. The Doors, Morrison Hotel. The Essential, Simon and Garfunkel. And the best of Velvet Underground. So I'm really, 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 really excited for all of these. Yes, I am very much so. Tomorrow's New Year's Eve. Oh, Thomas and Philo, don't you guys get to be in the new year before us? Hoo hoo, lucky you girls. I also got shoes, and these jeans are new. Look at my shoes, guys. Aren't they so cool? I like them a lot. I like my whole outfit right now. I just look fabulous. Welcome to our weapons lab. Holly, I'm really sorry all of the stuff that went down with your parents. Jen kind of filled me in. Ugh, I hate getting in trouble, and I really hope everything works out. And most of all, I hope I see you tomorrow. Remember, we're all here for you. If you need anything. I love you all. And don't forget to be awesome.